The Addmotor M-360 is a remarkable semi-recumbent tricycle designed for versatile, all-terrain riding experiences. At its core, it boasts a potent 750-watt brushless front-mounted hub motor that provides impressive power. Paired with a robust 48-volt by 20-ampere-hour Samsung lithium-ion battery, this electric trike ensures enduring performance on various terrains. Its 20x4 Kenda fat tires offer exceptional stability and traction, making it suitable for a range of outdoor adventures. One of the standout features of the M360 is its flexibility in speed control. With pedal assist, it can reach a top speed of 20 miles per hour, classifying it as a Class 2 electric bike. However, for those seeking higher speeds, it can be unlocked to function as a Class 3 electric bike. The lockable and removable battery not only adds an element of security but also allows for convenient off-bike charging. Impressively, it provides a generous range of over 85 miles per charge, ensuring you can explore without constant recharging. Designed to accommodate riders between 5 feet 6 inches to 6 feet 6 inches in height, the M360 comes in an array of attractive colors, including green and orange. Additionally, its foldable handlebar makes storage hassle-free. Safety is a top priority with the M360, thanks to its Tektro mechanical disc brakes with a 180mm rotor in the front and 160mm rotors in both rear wheels. This configuration offers balanced and efficient braking, preventing any pulling to the side during abrupt stops. An exclusive addition to Addmotor's Motan series, the M360 embodies the ultimate comfort for city and beach cruising. Its blend of power, range, and versatility make it a standout option for electric trike enthusiasts seeking both performance and style in their rides.